Hi guys, welcome back to VIPS TV. In the previous lesson, we have studied can in the affirmative and in question form. And today we're going to study can in the negative form, which is cannot. Can't is a short form of cannot. Can't is used to say there is no ability or no permission, or something is impossible. And we have the structure, subject plus can't plus verb infinitive. Can't can be pronounced in two ways. In British English, we say can't, and in American English, we say can't. For example, I can't do that. I can't do that. And in this video, we will be practicing in British English. Now let's get started. I can't swim. I can't swim. I can't move. I can't move. I can't help you. I can't help you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't talk now. I can't talk now. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe you did that. I can't believe you did that. I can't believe you are here. I can't believe you are here. I can't do that for you. I can't do that for you. You can't do this here. You can't do this here. You can't use my phone. You can't use my phone. They can't speak English very well. They can't speak English very well. He can't do that by himself. He can't do that by himself. She cannot remember his name. She cannot remember his name. Peter cannot go out there. Peter cannot go out there. My boss can't see you tomorrow. My boss can't see you tomorrow. That can't be true. That can't be true. I can't be sure. I can't be sure. I can't eat that. I can't eat that. I can't stay here longer. I can't stay here longer. I can't live without you. I can't live without you. I can't come there today. I can't come there today. I can't lend you some money. I can't lend you some money. I can't spend a lot of money. I can't spend a lot of money. I can't thank you enough for this lesson. I can't thank you enough for this lesson. I can't watch the movie with you tonight. I can't watch the movie with you tonight. I can't see him around here. I can't see him around here. I can't wait to do it. I can't wait to do it. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to see you. I can't find the medicine. I can't find the medicine. I can't find him anywhere. I can't find him anywhere. I can't do that alone. I can't do that alone. I can't be there tomorrow. I can't be there tomorrow. You can't go now. You can't go now. You can't drink this. You can't drink this. We can't accept that. We can't accept that. We can't go on. We can't go on. We can't go up there. We can't go up there. She can't drive a car. She can't drive a car. Jennifer can't see without the glasses. Jennifer can't see without the glasses. I can't leave you. I can't leave you. I can't let you do that. I can't let you do that. I can't talk about it. I can't talk about it. I can't come up there. I can't come up there. I can't open this document. I can't open this document. I can't pull it off. I can't pull it off. I can't wait longer. I can't wait longer. I can't have dinner tonight. I can't have dinner tonight. I can't lose you again. I can't lose you again. I can't feed my family. I can't feed my family. I can't count on him for anything. I can't count on him for anything. You can't have it. You can't have it. You can't sit there. You can't sit there. You can't fool me. You can't fool me. You can't park there. You can't park there. You can't take it back. You can't take it back. You can't prove that. You can't prove that. You can't smoke in the room. You can't smoke in the room. You can't leave him out there. You can't leave him out there. We can't let him down. We can't let him down. We can't discuss it right now. We can't discuss it right now. We can't decide this in 2 minutes. We can't decide this in 2 minutes. We can't have everything in life. We can't have everything in life. We can't come to your party this Sunday. We can't come to your party this Sunday. They can't be friends. They can't be friends. She can't win with you. She can't win with you. It can't be luck. It can't be luck. It can't be stopped. It can't be stopped. It can't be done. It can't be done. It can't be happening. It can't be happening. And this is the end of the video today. If you like the video, please like and share. And I see you in the next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.